already Monday, and we're going to market right now, and we buy some little bit some souvenir. So let's go. And also we just finished eat some breakfast. If you order some room here for 2,500, they have free already breakfast. It's so good.
Good weather today, Shaira.
Yes, but in the evening it's so cold.
Yes, night 16 degree only, night time. Daytime 23, maybe 20 now. About 25. Yeah, this hotel.
Also?
Last night we've been this park. Strawberry. You can ask. No, ask only how much.
Ganito kalaki. Na? 250. Ano ba siya? 200. Strawberry. 100. 200. Pwede siya. Magkano ka price? 200. Matamis na variety.
Later niyo po, mother.
It tastes.
Okay, we first walk. Thank you. lemon 151 kilo Shaira. In Pampanga, one lemon only 20 peso.
Not 20.
20 peso one lemon, but here 150, it's 1 kilo. Here 1 kilo 80 peso only. Carrots the same. 2 for 100.
Pili lang po, madam.
Dito kaya. Ito, pareha lang. Parehas lang.
Small.
Cherry tomato. 40 peso.
Yung hapino. Yes, I got oranges, ma'am.
Guevana also. Oh.
Yes, ma'am. Green grape. And muscat.
Oh, 150, 140, 170, 100 also. 50 peso. You choose. In hotel you can taste. I don't
I
know.
think it's so sour because it's not seasoned.
Not season right now, of course.
Nangangailangan naman pera si Jun, kaya nagalit siguro. Dapat tinanong niya no ni...
Okay na?
Apo,
Ganito 50 lahat?
ito po. So we're going to our hotel and we'll try the strawberry. If it's sour or sweet. Let's go.
No sitting.